So bhí amar dóigh agamsa ar a scáil, drastal ma ar bonscáil Gaeltachta agus an sin manscáil Gaeltachta.
Sílim se go anor ionteach ag baint le a bheith ag fálam trí bhean na Gaeilge.
It definitely gives you an edge. It's the best thing I ever did.
The murad a grúist ar a bonscáil agus inis, terra mór se le déanú tuis de gáil hon na manscáile. Déireann lá, coní arú.
Drastal mé ar scoil an Gaelach. Bhí an Gaelgag spurlag am hana féin Berda Soália agus an Gaelgas sa scoil, and I left school and I studied film. I think I was always interested in the arts. From my experience when I went to the Irish Language School, that was something huge for me, that there was as much offered in the arts as it was in maths and physics, which I wasn't very good at.
Being immersed in that language and in that culture and heritage is a huge advantage to any student.
Tá sé crutha rísarí séile go bhfuil an tumoideachais a ceansaí is fearr le forbairt iontaine agus cabhraíonn sé leis an smaointeoireacht leis a forbairt ar an criticúlacht agus in náiríomh béis sin stocha an forbairt persanta a bhó hála I mo héal.
I would have been raised in English. My parents didn't have Irish, but I went on to do law in college. I did a degree in NUI Galway, then started working as a barrister after about 7 years.
Tá méid sin deisna ann le bheith obair leis an teanga agus ní gacha meid tú dír go clí leis an múntóireacht. Is very like rudí eile eile, bheith obair na man, bheith obair na halíile.
If you're in 5th or 6th class in primary school, I couldn't recommend it enough. If you go to Gael Chaloshta, not only do you get to appreciate the Gaeilge a little bit more, but you get an introduction to Gaelic games, to football, to hurling, to rounders, to camogie.
Is rud fiú specialta é má tá mud gimmert na I cláiste leirint béla ní hiice siad mud. Is cosú go dúocht ag sa táin.
Dús sa bhí níos mó sama gom san aisteart agus sa drámaíart.
Den drama ain't táhacha dús a hiú chusaí sosiálta de bain ma near cairde faoi thairs na blianta agus is balla dothirte hon cean go dhéanamh go thir bríding éideag.
Could bé mór chomáid ar bhar tíomhaíta ar scála.
Bhanam an tanavas ceola henam ar scoil, like being deisina ionta aghain. Is anhá don the lads óg freisin tus go mín like na sessions aghain.
Bé pobl agad am an seo fásta tá pobl na Gaeilge ionta cairdeil agus ionta coideil agus na a hasan túr gnne aber agus túr an scáil nó má tá pasta agad am an seo agus fáinte má bhfuil Gaeilge acu. Tá sé casa go bhfuil beidir rúmbag idiribh, tugann se daoine le chéile ar ggóid speisialta.